Tiny Space Explorer, a short moral story. Luna was the smallest rocket in the space station. While the big rockets went on important missions to Mars and Jupiter, Luna was left behind. "You're too small for space travel," the others told her. But Luna dreamed of exploring the stars. One day, a distress signal came from a tiny asteroid. It was too small for the big rockets to land on. The commander sighed, "If only we had a small rocket for this mission." Luna's heart leaped. "I can do it," she said. The commander hesitated but then nodded. "All right, Luna. This is your chance." With excitement, Luna blasted off into the sky. She zipped past planets and dodged asteroids until she reached the tiny rock. There, she found a stranded space rover, unable to move. Gently, she pulled the rover onto her back and flew back to the station. When she landed, the big rockets cheered. "You saved the mission, Luna." From that day on, Luna was no longer seen as the smallest rocket. She was the tiny space explorer who proved that even the smallest can do great things. Moral: no one is too small to make a big difference. Thank you for watching.